Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
COSORI Air Fryer, Max XL 5.8 quart 1700 watt electric hot air fryers oven and oilless cooker for roasting LED digital touchscreen with 11 presets nonstick basket 2-year warranty ETLLLISTED 100 recipe. Compared with a 4-quart round basket, or even smaller one, COSORI Air Fryer's 5.8 quart square nonstick basket can fit a 5-pound 6-pounds whole chicken, while small round basket can't. Buy this XL 5.8 size, serves your family with at least 3 to 5 people. Perfect healthy gift for food-loving dads, mothers, family and friends. Slimmer footprint fit on your countertop and save your space. It has 85% less fat than traditional deep frying methods, but deliver the same deliciously crunchy taste of fried food with little to no oil. 11 functions in one: steak, poultry, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, roots vegetables, bread, desserts, preheat. Just tap and go. Selection at a touch, rather than keep circling to make the choice. Super easy to use, removable non-stick coated basket are dishwasher safe, PFOA free and BPA free. Product dimension 11, 811, 812, 6 in. Basket dimension 993, 75 in. Buy our original air fryer accessory, search for C158-6AC to create more. Comes with 100 original, delicious and easy recipes for every meals. Find out how our numerous influencers cook their food with COSORI Air Fryer in social medias. Also constant recipes and videos tutorials from our community. Cooking time is faster than conventional oven, but with crispier and tastier results. It also has shake reminder function. Preheat the unit before adding your ingredients to achieve the best results. ETL listed FDA compliant, 170 degrees F 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 V, 1700 watts. Please note that this voltage only applies to USA and Canada. Up to 2 years warranty, 90-day money back, comes with 1-year warranty, and you can extend to 2 years warranty for free. Just contact COSORI customer service. If any issues happened, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.